Hi, I'm Scott with the Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to look at the Window Cleaning Warehouse traditional starter kit. So when it arrives, here's what's in the box. First of all, we have the WCW Big Blue Bucket, and in here are the traditional tools. Now, first thing is the traditional washer. This is an Ergotech washer from Unger, and it's going to come in two pieces, which is the T-bar and the washer sleeve. Now, the washer sleeve is Velcro, so you just need to undo that, and to attach it, slide the T-bar into the washer, and there's elasticy straps in here you can use to hold it in place, and then you reattach with the Velcro. Now, the washer sleeve is machine washable up to 500 times. Next is the Squeegee. Now, here we have the Ergotech handle and the Ergotech S channel with the squeegee rubber in it. You'll notice there's little notches in the channel, and you use the handle to hold that in place. When it comes to changing the channel or the rubber, you just press down on this release button here, and you can change the squeegee rubber on its own, or you can change the whole channel for various sizes. The one that comes in the kit is a 35 centimeter or 14 inch. They are available in quite a few sizes. Next in the kit is the pocket scraper, again from Unger. Now, this is retractable and can quickly be changed by extending the scraper blade all the way out, and you can buy those in packs. And finally, in the bucket, we have the two 80 by 60 detailing cloths. Now, these are high quality microfiber cloths used to apply the finishing touches to your windows and mop up any additional water. Now, also included in this kit is the OptiLock 2.5 meter pole. So this is an Unger product again, and to extend it, you simply twist the collar, and you can clasp it at any height up to 2.5 meters. It comes in two sections. When you're looking to attach the products, you'll notice on the Ergotech product specifically is the little gap on the bottom of the tool. If you slide that on, it will lock in place, and you'll hear that click, and once that's in place, it's not going to come off when you're cleaning at height, so you can trust that's going to be safe there. To swap it over, you just press this quick release button here. You can remove the products and then apply the squeegee, allowing you to clean the windows up to 2.5 meters with this pole. So there we go, that's the traditional Window Cleaning Warehouse starter kit.